Hello there everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This is Cassie and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today I have a card, it's coffee themed because it's actually for the coffee lovers blog hop. Not on my blog, but Trinity Stamps blog, and I'll have that linked down below. But these are the products we're going to be using. We'll talk about them as we get to them. And I'm going to take a piece of watercolor cardstock that I have trimmed down to about 2.5 inches by 5.5 inches. This is going to go on a mini slimline, and we're going to do some spraying. I have the flickering candle mica spray stains. I know this isn't available anymore, but you can get this same sort of effect with the regular spray stains, just not going to have the shimmer on it, and it'll still be beautiful, just won't be as shiny. What I did is I concentrated the spraying just to the upper portion of my panel. I want this to kind of look like it's going ombre down, and then I'm going to bring in this stencil. This stencil is the Slimline Birch Forest stencil, so it's made for Slimline, but we're going to use it on a mini Slimline because we can. And I'm going to spray the crooked broomstick. So that's another one of the mica spray stains. Again, you could use regular spray stains and it would work, but look at that. And I do heat set in between. I don't know if I mentioned that. But I love this look. I love that it kind of looks a little bit fuzzy. You know, it's cool, but the way the stains go over each other, they just kind of, I don't know. Over a stencil, I love the look. And this stencil comes with 3 of these Slimline stencils, and it comes with all of the negative pieces, but I'm only going to use 2 because I really want some of that yellow to be popping through. So look at that. Lots of shimmer on there. Like I said, same effect without the shimmer, just using the spray stains if you wanted. Next, we're going to do some stamping. I've pulled out these 2 stamps. They're the little ones from the Fa-BREW-lous stamp. That is another Slimline stamp, or Slimline product, but it's a Slimline stamp. And obviously you can use it for other things as well. And it does come with these cute little images that you could use for other cards, but check that out. I'm surprised I should be wearing an apron. I could get ink all over myself. I had to slow that down though to show you just how clumsy I get in here. I'm going to stamp some little faces on there as well. Had to. There's a few little faces you could choose from. But we're going to go ahead and get started with our coloring. Now, really don't pay much attention to this cup at the top. I don't like him. I mean, I love the cup. He's cute, but I don't like how I colored him. And I will end up putting it on the card, but then I will take it off. So I'm putting all my Copics up on the screen for you. And this one I kind of make look more like a traditional, like our regular coffee shop we always see. But this one, I don't know what I was thinking with these colors. It's not like they're bad, but I don't love them. When I add the next color, it looks like it's ready for a baby shower is all I'm saying. So I'll bring in some C3, blend that out with a little bit of C1 for our cup. And then his little band we're going to do in a green tone. And I love this so much so that I'm going to end up doing another cup, but we're going to do it, you know, a cup like I have above, but we're going to do it in this color combo. Bring in a little bit of green, blend that out with my lighter green, which was a G24. And here's where I just make a classic blunder. Like I said, it's not terrible, but I don't love it. So he goes in the garbage. I'm not even going to save him for something else. All right, I'm bringing in a white gel pen for some highlights. And then I'll bring in a black glaze pen to make his eyes a little bit shiny. Now let's cut down the sentiment that we're going to be using. I'll just do that with my guillotine trimmer, and now we're going to get our card base ready, which is just some 6x6 cardstock that I am scoring at 3 inches. And then our base will be ready so that we can start putting some stuff on there. But look, there's a big old white border going around it. And I'm trying to figure out the placement of how that's going to go. And then we'll start adhering pieces down. I'm still not loving this. I'm looking at it and I'm not loving it. He's just standing out like he should, like I said, be at a baby shower. I put some foam tape behind him and stick him down along with the other little cup. And then I'm going to adhere this down to my panel or my base with some liquid glue. And once that's on there, I'm going to grab out, there's this longer border. It's like a bunch of coffee beans. And so I'm going to put that onto a stamp block, ink that up with some Twiggy brown ink by Ink on 3, stamp that on the lower right hand corner. And then here's where I decide, you got to go, buddy. So I'm going to peel him off carefully. And then we will put some new foam tape after I've colored and cut out this other guy. Look, he just goes well. goes well. It doesn't stand out like a sore thumb like the other guy. And there they are. That is actually going to finish off our card for today. I didn't put any embellishments on it. I love it just the way it is. And I hope you like it too. So as I said, I'll have Trinity Stamps blog linked down below so that you can go there and check out all the other things that everybody made. But if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye everybody.